Hello everyone. Today we're going to be doing a little recap of my day to see just how much you can make in a day as a mobile detail / interior repair specialist. Yeah, and I've been doing this for a long time. I've built up my client base. So not every day is as good as today is going to be, but it's a great business model and a lot of fun too. You know, it's something I've been doing for the last 15 years, but I still enjoy it every day. So I hit 2 dealerships this morning. Now I'm at one of my clients' houses and we are going to be doing some work on 2 of their cars. And I'm just waiting for the client to get here. And while I wait, I get to look at the surf because we're down by the beach. Alright guys, so while I was waiting, I figured I'd come down to the beach, but the customer just called, so I'm going to head up to the house. We'll get started. We're going to be working on a Maybach, an older one. I think it's a 62 wheelbase, and then we're also going to be working on a Rolls Royce. So we'll stay tuned. We're going to go check those out and get to work on them. right, guys, it is 5 p.m. long day. Everything worked out super well though. All the cars came out great. Let me flip you around. So there's the last one we did, this little Tesla Model 3 there. Beautiful car, came out nice. All right, guys, so we're all done. Total. So this whole video's purpose was to show you how much you can make in a day with a mobile detailing and auto restoration business. I worked 100% by myself today, and my first dealership I got to at 5 a.m. I did 4 odor removals. For my odor removals, I charged $65, so that was 260 bucks. Went to my second dealership where we do an interior full lot service. So basically what we do is we go through every car, every new pre-owned car that comes up on the lot. We put in plastics, we do any repairs that are needed, and for that we charge $35 per car. And I was able to get through 17 cars, so that was a total of $595. Then I went over to an old customer down by the beach, and we did, I did 2 maintenance details on a Rolls Royce and a Maybach, and those were $300 each, so that's another $600. And then I came over and did a basic detail on a little Tesla Model 3 for $150. So the total for today, it was about a 12-hour day. I worked from 5 to 5, and I made $1,605. If you add in tips, I made a $20 tip from one, and then from the customer, it's obviously holiday season, they gave me a Christmas bonus of $200 as well. So if you want to factor those in, then obviously it's $1,825 today. But I don't like to count those. I like to keep the tips separate and everything else. So actual build out revenue for the day, $1,605. Great business model. Stay tuned, we'll do more of these, but we have another video coming up soon of just satisfying. We did a maintenance detail on my buddy's Aston Martin Vantage, so we'll have that up for you guys. Make sure to subscribe down below. Please like the video as well. It helps with the algorithm and helps us be able to put out more content. We're trying to build the channel as much as possible, so please do that, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.